Good morning, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, all you social medias out there. How you guys doing on this beautiful Sunday morning? Just coming by to tell you guys we are the new contractors of this beautiful, amazing epoxy floors here in El Paso. Also to accommodate our beautiful, breathtaking acid floors with mirror wet look finish. How would you like to have a floor as beautiful, as long lasting, as tough as this in your restaurant, in your club, in your rentals places, in your house? Well, we could do it for you. Give me a call, 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. My name is Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist from Alchemist Floors. Looking forward to be able to give you a spectacular, breathtaking, elegant, custom epoxy and acid floor to you guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. Love, peace, and abundance, I bring y'all.